Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be a very short little Nordstrom rack shop with me. I stopped there the past 2 weeks to see if they had some new stuff, and for some reason I thought this video was longer and I had more clips, but it turns out I don't. This is gonna be a very short video, but I still wanted to go ahead and upload it because I want you guys to be able to find these things, and I know these things can go fast. So they should be in stores right now if you guys check your Nordstrom rack. Basically, it's a bunch of stuff from Urban Decay and then a couple other things from Becca and some other random things, but there's really not a lot, but there's some pretty cool things that we found, some of my favorite items and some things I've been wanting to try. So I thought I would just go ahead and upload this anyways. You guys know I'm all about finding high-end makeup for a really good deal. You guys know I do my TJ Maxx and Marshalls shop with me videos every single week, so hopefully you guys subscribe to see what is new and the best deals in makeup. And let me know if you guys like to see these Nordstrom rack videos as well. I think the next one I'll try to make it a little bit longer, but they just don't get in as much stuff as fast as TJ Maxx and Marshalls do. So without further ado, let's go shopping. Stopped at Nordstrom rack because, you know, I stop here like once a week, and they have the Urban Decay Game of Thrones collection. What the heck? Yeah, so they have this. I never purchased this collection. I do watch the show, but I just really wasn't into the whole vibe. But with this, you get 4 different palettes. These are what you get. The North palette, House Stark, House Lannister, and House Targaryen. It is cute. Let's see how much this is. It's going for $29.97, which is a lot better than $65, I would say. I kind of want to try it, but at the same time, I really don't need it. They also have this little palette too. This is the Mother of Dragons highlight palette, and these are the 3 shades you get in here. So they're kind of different kind of shades. You could probably use these as like a highlighting blush. This is $16.97 for the highlighting palette. So I did notice that those were new in at Nordstrom rack. I saw that they did get in the flushed palettes from Urban Decay. I haven't seen these for so long. It has the bronzer, highlight, and a blush, going for $14.97. And then there is Going Native and also the shade Sesso. I don't know if that's right, possibly, but they have 2 different shades in those. They also have some of the Naked Skin foundation, which I thought this would be here soon since they came out with the new version. I love this, the old stuff though, it's so good. They have a few different shades. It is going for $19.97. They have the shade 1.5, this one is 10.0, and then they also have 9.0, a lot of shades, 8.75, 11.0, 12.5, 13. Yeah, you get the gist. There's a lot of different ones of those. And then it looks like they got more from the Becca and Khloe Malika collection. We saw the palette last week. They also have this palette now. We saw the silver one. This one is the Made with Love by Khloe. This is one I have, and it's really good. I absolutely love this one, so definitely recommend picking it up. It's $19.97, which is a pretty good price, and you get like, I think it's blush, bronzer, and highlight in here. They also have the glow letters. I heard like mixed reviews on these. I think it's highlighters with like X's and O's, and then they're like little pieces. This is going for $9.97 here. And then they also have the lipsticks, which is pretty cool. So they have the shades Cupid's Kiss. I absolutely love this formula, by the way. It's the Ultimate Lipstick Lover formula. It's so good. This one is only $9.97, definitely worth it. So they also have Yours Truly. I think this is the one that I own. I also own Hot Tamale. This one's a really pretty orange red, very vibrant. And then they also have Brave, and then I think that's it. So they have a few different shades in those, which is pretty cool. They had a couple of the Naked Skin concealers as well here, not very many, but they have the shade Medium Dark Neutral, and then this one is Dark Warm. So they might have had these and people already bought them. I just haven't been here forever, it seems like. And then they have this Blur on the Run Touch Up Finishing Balm. I think I saw that last week. They also have some lipsticks from the Heat collection. This one is the Fuel Cream Lipstick, and then they have also Scorched. So these are $8.97. Looks like they brought in a lot more of the Naked concealers as well. I guess they are phasing these out to go with the newer formula. I also have a bunch of my favorite little sprays. This is by Caudalie. I don't know what it is about this stuff, but I love it. It smells so good. It smells like the spa. These are little mini bottles. They're going for $18, a little bit pricey for 1 ounce. I ended up not buying anything at Nordstrom Rack, which I really wanted to get that Game of Thrones palette, but I decided that it's not really popular anymore. People probably don't want to see it used in videos, and I don't really need it. It's a big bulky palette, even though it is really cool and it was for a pretty good price. I decided to go ahead and skip on it. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this really short video today. I think my next video is gonna be a fun Ulta shop with me for their holiday stuff. I'm gonna show you guys everything they have for the holidays, and that should either be up, I'll probably try to upload it tomorrow actually if you guys want to see it. So I'll also include a little haul at the end because I did buy a couple of things. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you are new, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.